Do you ever find yourself scratching your head, wondering about the most basic things when it comes to money and banks? Like, if you walk into a TD Bank here, can you actually get your hands on good old American dollars? It sounds simple, right? But in our increasingly interconnected world, where banks operate across borders, the answer might not be as straightforward as you think. Think about it. TD Bank has a pretty significant presence in the United States. You see their green signs all over the East Coast, and they offer a wide range of financial services there. But here in other parts of the world, even if a bank has the same name, its operations and the currencies it deals with can be quite different. It's like going to a global fast food chain. You might find familiar items on the menu, but there could also be local specialties you've never seen before. So, the question remains, if you're a TD Bank customer in a location that isn't the United States, and you need U.S. currency, what are your options? Can you simply walk into a branch and request some greenbacks? Or are there specific procedures you need to follow? Maybe it depends on the type of account you have, or perhaps there are regulations in place that govern the exchange of currencies. Let's delve a little deeper. Banks, in general, handle foreign currency in a few different ways. Some might keep a stock of commonly traded currencies on hand, readily available for their customers. Others might operate on an on-demand basis, meaning they only acquire foreign currency when a customer specifically requests it. This could involve a waiting period and possibly some fees. Then there are the regulatory aspects to consider. Governments often have rules about the flow of money across borders, and banks need to comply with these regulations, which can impact how easily you can obtain foreign currency. For someone planning a trip to the United States, or perhaps a business owner who deals with American clients, having access to U.S. dollars is crucial. Knowing whether your local TD Bank can provide this service directly can save you a lot of time and potential hassle. Imagine showing up at the airport, ready for your flight, only to realize you haven't exchanged your local currency and your bank back home couldn't provide USD on demand. That's a situation you definitely want to avoid. So, what's the bottom line when it comes to TD Bank and American money? While TD Bank has a strong presence in the U.S., the availability of U.S. dollars at their branches outside of the United States can vary significantly. It often depends on the specific location, the policies of that particular branch, and potentially your relationship with the bank. It's always best to directly contact your local TD Bank branch or check their official website for the most accurate and up-to-date information regarding foreign currency exchange services. They can provide details on whether they keep U.S. dollars on hand, the exchange rates they offer, any associated fees, and the procedures you need to follow to obtain the currency you need. Don't leave it to chance. A quick call or visit can save you a lot of potential headaches down the road. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.